Hello, I'm Andrew Porwancher, a professor of constitutional history at ASU and the director of our master's in classical liberal education, a program designed specifically for Great Hearts teachers. I am so excited and honored to get to join the 2024 National Symposium for Classical Education, where I'll have a chance to give a lecture on my book, The Jewish World of Alexander Hamilton. Join me as we dial the clock back to the 18th century and journey to the Caribbean islands of Hamilton's youth, where we will uncover fresh evidence that Hamilton, this enigmatic founding father, was in all likelihood born and raised Jewish. And most importantly, we'll consider the stakes of this new revelation for making sense of the birth of religious freedom at the dawn of the American Republic. So I look forward to seeing you all in sunny Arizona.